Sorry about that. I didn't notice that your what you software you use is in your signature until after I made my post. Anyway, you just want this to be a shed roof, right? Well, in Pro, the easiest thing to do, I'm going to go back to the overview, is just delete the side piece and then click on the roof plane and stretch it out. That's one of the reasons you buy Pro is so that you can do that. On this side, we'll get rid of this hip over here. Just delete it. Stretch this over. Now we've got some more to do in plan view. Let's see. I'm going to turn off the grid. It just confuses me. Alright. So this edge here, I'm going to take the parallel tool and straighten it out and give it some overhang. Same thing on the other side. Parallel tool. Give it some overhang on the outside edge there. Now these roof planes that are coming underneath don't need to come underneath at this angle anymore. I'm going to straighten them out. Again with a parallel tool. Parallel perpendicular tool. And then just put it just outside of the rake wall. I'm calling this the rake wall. At least in the attic level, it's a rake wall. Okay? Fills in that side. And then this one over here, again, I got parallel perpendicular this out and put it just outside the wall there. Take this and parallel it, perpendicular. Sometimes you get an error message like that, you just do it again. The software is not smarter than you, it's just a machine. And most of the time, you know what you're trying to do better than the machine does. So I'll just help the machine out by straightening it a little bit and then use this tool. Okay. And then we'll drag this over here. Because we want to create a ridge here with the shed roof. There's a join roof tool, and now the rest of that should be okay. Yeah, there's the shed. Now you might ask, now what I just did takes practice, and you're not going to learn how to do that overnight. But you could set this up where it would build automatically. I'm pretty sure. The way you would do that is just like you'd build any shed roof. These side walls, you would tell them to be full gable walls on the roof tab, which you haven't done yet. That's the reason you didn't get it in the first place. And this little wall segment here, same thing, same command. These are commands to guide the roof generator. And if you look under the build roof dialog, roof styles, how to create all the basic roof types are explained here. There's how to do there's a shed roof tutorial, and that's just what I'm doing. We'll open this, set it to full gable. Up. There it is. Full gable wall. Now this wall here needs to be, and I need to break it off with the, I just need this command to be from here to here. So, okay, now I got that segment isolated. We'll tell this to be a high shed gable wall. No, yeah, high shed gable. So gable, 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 high shed gable. And then I should be able to build the roofs again. Of course, the manual editing I just did was destroyed, but now that I've got the commands in there, the software just did it just perfectly. You know, but I had to give the commands in there properly to guide the software to that. Uh-oh, there's something funny going on here. Probably got some goofy commands in the wall. Let's see. No, I don't see anything wrong. Wonder why it's, I noticed it's going up at one pitch and then it goes to another pitch here. Let's see, what is that? That's 5. Why is this different? Oh, I see. Ah, I see. This is 312 or something. Yeah, 212. Okay. All right. Well, it's easier to do this manually sometimes. I'm just going to get rid of this junk that the auto roof generator made. It's just telling me now that I'm manually editing that it okay, and then we'll pull that down where it's supposed to go. Now this would then tie in to the ridge. I think I missed it a little bit. And we want this roof plane to ridge with this one, and it did. And this one come up there like that. And then I'm just going to kind of keep this simple. Using the brake line tool, we'll create a ridge there, or a valley if you will. Snap that over there. We'll just let that tie in there. This is a little kind of a patchworky, but okay, it's a little floppy looking, but you get the idea. The thing, if you learn anything from this, is that you need to learn how to manually edit roofs, or you're always going to be in trouble waiting for the software to figure out something, because the software's not going to figure out nothing. You're the guy who figures out stuff. And just learn the software, read the reference manual, practice, 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 and then get to where when something happens, you know what to do. Okay? Thank you.